Welcome back to the New York Medicaid EHR Incentive Program tutorial series, Attesting to 2018 Meaningful Use in the MyPass System. This is part 3 of the 4-part series entitled Clinical Quality Measure Reporting. This tutorial serves as a guide for eligible professionals or EPs who are participating in the New York Medicaid EHR Incentive Program and are attesting to 2018 Modified Stage 2 or Stage 3 meaningful use in the MyPass system. You can pause, rewind, or fast forward this video as needed. Let's continue. Upon completing the objective portion of your meaningful use attestation, you'll be brought back to the EP summary screen. You'll notice that your objective status has changed from incomplete to pass. To begin your CQM reporting, click the Edit button next to Clinical Quality Measures. Clicking Edit will bring you to the Clinical Quality Measure instruction page. You must complete at least 6 clinical quality measures from any of the National Quality Strategy domains. To complete the recommended measure sets, click either Complete Recommended Adult Measures or Complete Recommended Pediatric Measures below. If you do not wish to use one of the recommended measure sets, select at least 6 measures by clicking on the domain titles, or you can click All Clinical Quality Measures to view the complete list. As you complete each measure, it will appear in the list below, and once you've completed at least 6 measures, you can click Return to EP Summary to complete your attestation. For the sake of this demonstration, we're going to click on All Clinical Quality Measures. Clicking All Clinical Quality Measures will bring you to the All Clinical Quality Measures page. Note that some clinical quality measures are indicated as recommended. Selection of these measures is recommended but not required. You'll be prompted to enter numerator, denominator, and exclusion or exception, if applicable, for all selected clinical quality measures. When you complete a CQM, a green checkmark will appear. To start, click the hyperlink next to the CQM you wish to report on. In this example, we're going to start by reporting on CQM CMS 50, closing the referral loop, receipt of specialist report. This will bring you to CQM CMS 50, closing the referral loop. To attest to the CQM, answer yes to the question, I will complete this measure. If you click yes, then MyPass will require you to enter the numerator and denominator. The answer to both these questions must be a whole number greater than or equal to 0. The denominator must be greater than or equal to the numerator. You must complete all required information prior to moving to another measure or returning to the domain or CQM landing page. If you wish to leave this page without completing the measure, you must select No next to the question, I will complete this measure. You can click Previous Measure button to return to the previous CQM, click Next Measure to advance and report to the next measure, or you can click Return to Landing Page or Return to CQM page. In our example, we'll click on Return to CQM Landing Page to navigate back to the Clinical Quality Measures instruction page and select the next CQM we will report on. Clicking Return to CQM Landing Page will bring you back to the Clinical Quality Measure instruction page. And you'll notice that the CQMs that you've reported on will now appear in the list. If you'd like to remove one of the CQMs, you can do so by clicking the Remove button next to the CQM. After you've completed reporting on all 6 of your CQMs, a button will appear that reads Return to EP Summary to complete attestation. Congratulations, you've completed the New York Medicaid EHR Incentive Program tutorial, Attesting to 2018 Meaningful Use in the MyPass System. This is part 3 of the 4-part series entitled Clinical Quality Measure Reporting. Please move on to tutorial 4, e-signature and attestation submission.